Yes! Wouldn't it be nice if every single prospect we spoke to yelled yes and was so enthusiastic to use us, and no one ever said no ever again? Watch on for my 3-step formula to make sure more people say than say no. Sales is really simple. All we have to do is find out what people want and then sell it to them. And if you use this simple 3-step formula, you'll convert more of your opportunities into sales than ever before. Step 1, be nice. People buy from people they like. Be nice, be friendly, be interested, be sincere. It's over 50% of the sale. If you do those things, your conversion rate will soar. Step 2, remember, people buy for their own reasons, not yours. You need to find out in detail exactly what it is your prospect wants, and you do that by asking questions. In sales, questions are always the answer. Don't assume anything. If you think you know, get them to tell you. So ask lots of questions. And step 3 is know your prospect's budget. Always make sure you're asking, or you've got a good idea of how much your prospect wants to spend. Because if you can find out what somebody wants in detail and how much they're prepared to pay, you will nearly always close the sale, provided you can come up with a solution within your prospect's budget. So that's my 3-step process. Be nice, ask questions, know the budget. Go sell.